Go.
A Bird's Tale continues. One, two, three. Just sit right back and you'll hear a tale of a family's trip that started in the town of Hudson, a place in South Quebec. Dennis, a mighty family man, Betty, brave and sure. 4 children came along one day, their futures are secure. The children started growing up, let's travel, said the boss. If not for the success of Fuse Tech Inc., Martin would be lost. The birds would be lost. The birds set ground on Homeward Ave, one great lake they lived by, with Madison and Jesse too. The St. Bernard, Lord Tanner, we miss Bella, Margaret and Martin. Here continues their tale. Keep going. Here's a story about the bird family. They're here for a long, long time. They had to make the best of things. Fun is theirs to find. Martin, Marv, and Margaret Bird have done their very best to find a toy that's comfortable for the family and their guests. Not bikes, not boats, nor to see do's could safely satisfy their needs. Like John and Ange, they got an RV, and camping they will be. So join us here each summer, friends. Their fun will never fail. From Mark, Martin, and their family continues the Bird's Tale.
Pretty good, eh?
Awesome.